Welcome back. Bengalurans got another chance to celebrate music, and this time it was with the drums. Drummers from around the city came together to display their talent in front of the renowned judges, who finally was awarded one of the best drummers in the city. Let's take a look.
Do Not Drum and Drive, a competition to select Bengaluru's next best drummer, was held in the city on Saturday. This gave a platform for all the drummers in the city to give a solo performance and display their talent before a keen audience in Bengaluru. In search for the city's next best drummer, 17 shortlisted participants representing different bands from the city competed against each other for a time slot of 10 minutes. They were judged on parameters that included knowledge of the instrument, performance, clarity, etc.
It will give a lot of exposure to the struggling artists nowadays, especially metal drummers. The metal music, the scene is dying out. So, there are good judges here. So hopefully there'll be a lot of exposure and people will get to know our music. Hopefully some of the bands can make it big from here.
Still have a long way to go, considering we don't have any good schools to provide education, and not many drummers get, we have the talent here, but it's just that we don't have the right people to direct us in one direction like what we're supposed to do in terms of our drumming. So that is a sad story, but still it's encouraging to see like young people taking up drums quite seriously.
The participants were judged by a panel of renowned drummers who were quite at awe to see drummers as young as 10 participate in the event.
I like drumming, so the sound it makes, I like the sound which it makes, so I want to continue drumming.
And who do you want to be? What drummer do you want to be like?
Shivmani.
Being a girl and playing drums, everybody you play drums, they ask like that. Usually boys play drums, but why should boys have all fun? So let's even girls play drums, and I wanted to try something new. In my family, everybody goes for singing, right? I don't want to be those girls who sing and like that. So first time in my family, I'm learning something instrument kind of thing. You have fun while you're playing drums also.
Kind of soloing event is new, I guess. It's not really done in many places in Bangalore. So this is the first time I've been exposed to such an event, solo competition. Usually I just play gigs with my band. That's one fret away.
It was a treat for drummers who are usually overshadowed by lead singers in the band. This solo drumming made the participants give their best shot, indeed making it a hard decision for the judges. It was a tough decision to make, but at the end, the best drummer title was awarded to a 14-year-old boy, Rakshit. Nabila, News 9.